So hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous faux locks bob hairstyle on your hair. Okay, so I'm taking a section of hair and I'm going in with my comb and I'm just going to detangle my hair to make sure that there are no knots, kinks, anything like that. Once that's done, I am going in with some Kanekalon braiding hair. Now, I cut my hair into thirds. So, one part I cut into 3 equal sections. And this is the amount of hair I'm using for one braid. I'm just looping it so that I can create my 3 pieces of extension hair, which I'm then going to apply into my hair. Okay, so I'm applying a little ways down and then I'm just gonna divide the hair into 2 sections and then just twist the remainder of the hair. I'm not wasting my time braiding because you're not gonna see it once I wrap my Marley braid hair around. So to save some time, I'm just twisting all the way down the end of the hair. So now I'm going in with my Marley braid hair and I'm using 2 pieces of hair. You know how the hair comes kind of sectioned off, 2 pieces. I'm going in with my my latch hook. I'm going to place it underneath my braid, and I find that when I do this that it prevents the hair from sliding out. So I'm putting the latch hook through the bottom of the braid and then I'm opening the hook. I'm going to place the Marley braid hair in and then slide the hair through. Now you can see here I have a little piece, a shorter piece, much shorter piece on one side and then the majority of the hair on the rest. All I'm going to do is with the shorter piece, I'm going to lay it flush with my Kanekalon braiding hair, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the Marley braid hair all the way down till I get to the end. And don't forget, you can see me here pushing up the hair. Once I wrap down a few, then I push up to make sure that my hair doesn't slide and it's nice and intact. So you can see I'm pulling out another braid here, and that's because I want to make sure that my hair is all pretty much the same length. So when I get to the bottom, I realize that there's a piece that I can cut off, which is that piece right there. I'm going to flip the bottom of the Kanekalon hair up, and then you're going to see I'm adding some more Marley braid hair because I ran out, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around the end and wrap it all the way up. I hope I'm explaining properly, but just watch what I'm doing and hopefully I'm hoping that you get the drift, you get what I'm doing. So once I'm done with all the wrapping, I'm going in with the lighter. Now for me, this was the hardest part because my poor finger was so sore with pressing this lighter all the time. And then I'm just going to repeat the process again just so you can see exactly what I did. And that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.